Driving a noisy trailer isn't just an inconvenience, it's a form of environmental pollution. Hi, see you again. I'm Andy, Sales Executive at Monzone, Singapore. For decades, Thermo King has been committed to reducing noise across its product range, ensuring that urban deliveries meet even the strictest noise regulations. The SLXi 400 is engineered to deliver exceptionally quiet performance in all operation conditions. Its standard configuration is already best in class, featuring noise-reduced components, low engine speeds, and advanced sound containment design. And with the optional whisper noise attenuation kit, sound levels are reduced even further. With the Thermo King SLXi 400, you don't just deliver products, you deliver them responsibly, with minimal impact on the cities you serve. For more information or inquiries, contact me today.